Ever reach the end of the month wondering where your paycheck vanished? You're not alone. Most of us struggle to track every single expense, from that morning coffee to the monthly gym membership we rarely use. But what if there was a way to see exactly where your hard-earned cash is flowing? That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a personal finance app that boasts features like bill management, budgeting tools, and even bill negotiation. But today, we're focusing on its core strength, spending tracking. So, how does Rocket Money peek behind the curtain and reveal your spending habits? Let's dive in and get financially transparent. Behind the scenes, connecting the dots. The magic of Rocket Money's tracking lies in its ability to connect securely with your bank accounts. This secure connection allows Rocket Money to download your transaction history. Don't worry, they don't have access to edit or move your money, they're simply there to read the data. Think of it like this: imagine your bank statements are a jumbled mess of receipts. Rocket Money acts like a superpowered organizer, sorting those receipts into neat categories like groceries, entertainment, or transportation. Categorization powerhouse, making sense of your spending. Now, simply downloading your transactions isn't enough. What truly sets Rocket Money apart is its clever categorization engine. This engine analyzes each transaction and assigns it a category based on the merchant name and the type of purchase. For example, if you see a transaction labeled Starbucks, it'll likely be categorized as dining or coffee shops. Pretty straightforward, right? But Rocket Money's engine gets even smarter. It can even learn from your spending habits over time and refine its categorization for better accuracy. Let's say you consistently use your grocery store's pharmacy section. Rocket Money might initially categorize those transactions as groceries. However, after seeing a pattern, it might eventually shift those pharmacy purchases to a dedicated health and wellness category. This level of detail allows you to see exactly how much you're spending on different areas of your life. You might be surprised to discover that those daily lattes add up to a significant chunk of your budget, or that your online shopping sprees are silently draining your savings. Human oversight, fine-tuning your finances. While Rocket Money's engine is impressive, it's not perfect. Sometimes, a transaction might get miscategorized. Fear not, financial control remains firmly in your hands. The app allows you to easily review each transaction and adjust the category if needed. This human oversight ensures the accuracy of your spending data and allows Rocket Money to continuously learn from your corrections. Beyond categories, unveiling the bigger picture. Rocket Money doesn't just show you a list of categorized transactions. It takes that data and transforms it into insightful visuals. Imagine colorful charts and graphs that paint a clear picture of your spending habits. See how your spending fluctuates month to month. Identify categories that are consistently draining your wallet. Track your progress towards your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt. With this newfound financial awareness, you can make informed decisions about your spending. Maybe it's time to ditch the pricey coffee habit and brew your own at home. Perhaps you can negotiate a better deal on your internet plan. Every little adjustment adds up, and Rocket Money empowers you to take control. Security concerns, keeping your money safe. Of course, with all this talk of connecting bank accounts, security might be a top concern. Here's the good news: Rocket Money uses bank-level encryption to safeguard your financial information. They also employ multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to prevent unauthorized access. Additionally, Rocket Money doesn't store your actual bank login credentials. They leverage a secure connection process mediated by your bank itself, keeping your sensitive data out of their hands altogether. Taking control, the power of knowing. So, there you have it. Rocket Money tracks your spending by securely connecting to your bank accounts, intelligently categorizing transactions, and presenting the data in clear and actionable ways. With this knowledge, you can finally break free from the cycle of wondering where your money goes and start making informed financial decisions that propel you towards your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.